Hi, welcome to Rajalne. Today we are going to discuss about what are the steps involved in trade life cycle. As you know, understanding about the trade life cycle of any of the financial institution or a bank is essentially important for anyone to learn when whoever wants to pursue their career in the field of investment banking. So especially people, this video is meant for the people who are planning their career in the field of investment banking or who wants to get some exposure towards investment banking as well. And this video is all about trade life cycle today, wherein we are discussing about what are the steps which are involved in trade life cycle as follows. The first step is what generally we call it as sale. Well, in this sale, usually the kind of process of client acquisition in which these HINs or client institutions as well as institutional things and all introduced to the various investment products and vehicles and all that. At the same time, these vehicles are the products which are available with an investment manager or a bank, but whom the client investments are being managed. These investments are collectively called as mutual or a hedge funds. This is what generally the first stage under investment trade life cycle. The first thing is what we call it as sales. The second is about trade initiation and execution, where here the process of placing an order into the market, wherein by understanding about the trade initiation and as well as executions, which can be done in both and as well as order and as well as code driven markets and all that. This is completely depends on the kind of choice of a marketplace. At the same time, it is on the external platform where this is being used for. At the same time, once the order is placed and it gets matched and all, the trade is set to be executed here. This is what generally the second part, which is called trade initiation. Whereas when it comes to the third one, which is called trade capture, where the traders are often booked internally in the offer system, where it flows down the operating system and all, which is booked in risk management systems, which is called RMS in short. Whereas in the fourth stage, we need to do the trade evaluation and enrichment, where the reference data team set up with the static and dynamic details, which will be helpful in middle office teams to validate the trade before releasing an instructions into the market, which is majorly used in the repository of data management. This repository is something relating to WSISs and security identifiers, at the same time currency counterparts, at the same time markets and all that stuff. At the same time, when we talk about the final this thing, which is called trade confirmation, which is an extremely critical step for the trade settlement, where this trade details and all everything as well as SSIs are agreed with the counterparty at least a day prior to the settlement date. So based on that, whatever the confirmation via depositories like Euro clearances, DTDCs and all everything will be taken place here. This is what generally a complete understanding about the trade life cycle, which majorly happens in any of the financial institution, irrespective of the institution it belongs to. So for more details regarding investment banking, followed by the trade life cycles and all everything in detail, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted below to this video. Thank you.